In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Steam not opening. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Steam on. Now, firstly, Steam might be open in the background without you knowing, and it could just be bugged, so it's not opening. So the first thing we want to do is go over to our task manager, then go over to details. Go ahead and scroll down and then look for Steam. And as you can see, mine's currently open. So all I want to do is right click it and then I want to end the process tree like so. And then, or just end task as well. If you end task on the main one, it's going to end all of these. But I always like to end process tree just to, be 100% sure. Now, what we're going to do is purge any corrupted cache. So what we're going to do is press Windows key and E, which is going to open up our file explorer. Now, what we're going to do is go to local disk C, then go to program files, and then go ahead and locate Steam, which is obviously going to be over on S. And if you can't find it, then try on program files x86. And as you can see, now Steam is right there. So now all you want to do is locate the folder labeled app cache. And then all you're going to do is right click on it or just click on it. And then what we're going to do is press delete right there. And then that should go ahead and make sure to fix it. And now all you're going to do is reset your PC or just like restart your PC and then go back and try and open Steam and you should be good to go.